Finding out your Wise account is deactivated. It feels like a crisis. Let's address this hidden. Start by carefully reading the exact deactivation message from Wise. Note any reasons provided, even if vague. This is a crucial clue. Thoroughly check your email, including the spam folder, for any messages from Wise about the deactivation. They often send details or request information. Visit the Wise Help Center on their website. Search for articles about account deactivation, suspensions, or compliance issues. Navigate to the Contact Us section of the Help Center. Look for options like email support, a contact form, or live chat, depending on your region. Write a detailed message explaining the situation. State that your account was deactivated, when it happened, and politely request a detailed explanation and instructions on reactivation. Provide relevant details. Be patient. Wise's support team may take a few days to respond. Regularly check your email for updates and be ready to provide any information or documentation they need. Best of luck getting your account back.